Hey everyone, check out the Dreame TriCut Brush designed to automatically cut and direct tangled pet hair right into the dust box. This anti-pinch brush saves you time and keeps your carpets and hard floors clean without hassle. It is fully compatible with popular models like the L10s Ultra, L20 Ultra, and X40 Ultra. You will never have to manually pull hair out of your vacuum roller again. For the best cleaning performance, simply replace the brush every 3 to 6 months. Upgrade your cleaning routine today and enjoy effortless maintenance throughout your home. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.